Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Dima Okike. Kindly hit that red subscribe button and turn the bell icon on for future videos. Today we'll be making a super potent hair growth booster, and I'll also be showing you how you can use this oil to achieve your hair goal. Welcome back, guys. My very first ingredient is going to be coffee. It does not necessarily mean that you have to use this particular brand that I'm using. You can use any brand you have around you. Coffee is coffee. So I'll go ahead and cut that open with my knife and then proceed with other ingredients. So here is what the coffee looks like. It has this dark chocolate color. So I will grab my beaker and then measure out my olive oil. Guys, feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice. Here I'm making use of olive oil, but you can choose to use coconut oil or grapeseed oil, whichever oil you choose, provided that carrier oil is just fine. So I measured out 100 ml worth of that, and then I'll be measuring out 1 tablespoon of my coffee, and I will transfer that into my beaker containing the olive oil. Then I'll go ahead and use my stirring rod to stir that to combine all the ingredients. At this point, pour few cups of water in a pot and bring to a boil, because we are going to be using double boiler method, DIY double boiler method, to infuse this. Just a quick background information: hair follicle damage occurs gradually, eventually leading to baldness, but according to research, the caffeine in coffee can help stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. While the beaker containing our oil is seated right there in the water bath, keep on stirring this, and once it's 15 minutes mark, bring that down and allow to cool down completely. Grab an airtight container, glass container like so, transfer this into the container and then allow to infuse for 1 to 2 weeks before use. But for the fact that I have already activated this, I have already used a DIY double boiler method for this, you can use this immediately. But for it to be more potent, you have to allow it to sit in your cabinet in this airtight container for 1 to 2 weeks. So our oil is 80% ready at this point. 80% ready in the sense that I will still infuse it for extra 2 weeks. So while I show you how you can use this oil on your scalp, I will go ahead and share with you a few more background information regarding caffeine, what caffeine can do to your hair. Caffeine stimulates hair shaft elongation, resulting in longer, wider hair roots. It also prolongs the anagen duration, which is the hair growth stage. Studies also tested the effect of caffeine on female hair follicles and found that it had a growth promoting effect on hair follicles in female. Since caffeine is a stimulant, it also increases blood circulation to hair follicles. This can help hair grow faster and become stronger, giving the appearance of fuller, thicker hair. Coffee promotes faster and shinier hair. They naturally gets rid of gray hairs. You can apply this oil daily on your scalp. This oil does not have any side effects. It's 100% natural. Just apply it on your scalp and proceed to massage your scalp. As you all know, scalp massages promote hair growth. It helps hair grow thicker, longer, and fuller. This oil can be used as a pre-poo, scalp massages, sealant, hot oil treatments. You can use this oil for basically everything you do to your hair. That's all for today's video. If there is anything I did not touch or anything you may wish to know, let me hear that in the comment section and I will reply you. Thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you so much once again, and see you in my next video.